So just a little pre-holiday video, and I'm looking at the camera I'm going to take with me. Now I've already made my choice, and I just want to go through some of the options that I've got and some of the options I've looked at. Okay, now I've only really used this camera once. It's a zone focusing camera. It's very much like the Olympus Trip. And if you remember rightly and saw the other videos, you would have seen that I took the Olympus Dragon on the last little adventure to Portugal. And this is a lovely little camera. I remember how to get it open. Now you do something special with this, and I can't remember what it was now. That's it. There's a little clip there. And then the film goes in this side and it goes across that way. It's kind of weird because it goes underneath this cover here. And it loads. So basically, I think if what happens is if this actually comes open, then the shots you've taken are already protected. But rather than it being a pull thing, it actually pushes. So it's like basically, so those cogs there push that way. Okay, and then it just fires off. You probably won't see it, but no. But that's basically it. Very, very straightforward. Very similar to the Olympus Trip. One thing we do know about this particular one is the lens isn't as good as Olympus Trip, because that's the video we did a little while ago. So let's put this to one side and get something else out. Okay, Olympus Trip, my friend's camera. It's on long-term loan, and unlike the Agfa Optima camera, it doesn't need batteries. That actually needs batteries for its light meter to work, I believe. And it's a pain because the type of batteries you need to get, you wouldn't be able to get them abroad anyway. So again, another zone focuser with the different distances you've got, and it goes between, I'm trying to work what ASA, it goes between 25 ASA, is it 400, 200, 250 ISO, so it doesn't go any further than that. So anyway, that's another option I've got, and I haven't chose that one either because I took it out with me when I went to Portugal a few months ago. Next is my long-suffering Olympus OM20, and you know I love this camera. I have more lenses for this camera than I do any other camera. It's manual and it's aperture priority, and it's just a real dream to work with. The only issue that I actually have with this at the moment is when I got it, I actually fixed it myself because there was a broken clip inside, or a spring had come off, so it wasn't winding, it wasn't firing properly. So that was an issue which I've now resolved. But as I say, this is really my favourite camera by far. The Zuiko lenses are just out there on their own. They're just so good. And I've got a zoom lens, I've got a 28mm, I've got a 135mm lens. So I've got a nice selection of lenses. However, it's not going to be this camera. And now I'm going to show you the camera I'm going to take away with me. And here it is. It's my trusty Canon T70. And the reason will become known very shortly. Got a fantastic, like the Zuikos. I don't think the Canons, now tell me in the comments below, do you think the Zuiko lenses are better than the FD lenses? I personally, having used both, I prefer the Zuiko lens to the FD lens. But obviously this isn't like this was like a high-end consumer camera back in the day. It had kind of program modes that weren't quite the same. Don't worry, I hadn't put any film in there. Had it like a program mode, and then it has different modes that go in program wide, and then it's got shutter priority and tele, and I can't remember which way round they go. One is a aperture priority, and then you got the shutter priority, but and then you have to manually set your ISO, and you've got the battery check there. Now, so why do you think I've chosen this camera as my holiday camera? Bearing in mind I've only got two lenses for this, I haven't got anything else that I can put on there or use with it. It's a simple fact. This camera does one thing, or has one thing that the others don't. Literally, it's just AA batteries. And that's the reason why, because I know, knowing my luck, if I took some spare batteries from my Olympus, they'd die as well, or they'd be dead. I know I can literally go to any shop, petrol station, anything like that, and I can normally get AA batteries. And it's for that reason. That's just the reason why I spent time thinking which one should I take. And that's what happened. Anyway, I'm not going to tell you what film I'm taking with me because that's going to be in another video when I'm away. I'm not going away for quite a few weeks yet, but I wanted to get this video done and sorted. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.